Microsoft have released a fantastic feature for not only Office 365 but Outlook.com email accounts that will allow you to send emails throughout the month or throughout the year, and you don't even need to be by your computer. So if you would like to know more, stay tuned to this video and we will explain how to do this. Now, traditionally, when you send an email, you might have a computer running Microsoft Outlook. Now, that computer might stay on, so you can run your Outlook rules and schedule emails that are in your outbox. Now, what we're suggesting is you don't need a computer on all the time in order to run through this. Just think about the waste of electricity by doing this. It's not good for the environment. We have a better idea for this, and it's only just come out, so this is new. So what you need to do is, if you want to schedule a weekly email that goes out to a number of people week in, week out, but with a small number of changes, rather than having to log into your email at 5 o'clock each Sunday, all you have to do is get to the computer once, write your email, pretend you're going to send it. In the bottom right next to where you click send, there's a little arrow pointing down, and that arrow says send later. Look for it, send later. You can choose a date and a time of your choice. It doesn't need to be 9 o'clock, it could be 9:03. Really does not matter. When we tried it, we used a random time. Now this could change later, but we find that if you do an email at 9:03, 9:04, it looks more natural than if you do 9 o'clock exact. Because when somebody gets an email at 9 o'clock exact, they're going to be like, they must have automated that. It doesn't look natural. So we like to do it at 9:01 or 9:02 personally. So you write your email, put your attachments, and click that arrow pointing down, click on send later, and choose your date and choose your time. Once you've done that, it stays in the outbox within your email account online, and this is with Office 365 and Outlook.com, because they both use the same email system from Microsoft. And by doing so, you could have your weekly Sunday emails, your weekly Friday emails. You know, you don't have to write them on a Sunday. You write them on a Saturday, on a Monday, you choose. But just spend an hour writing them out, or even half an hour. You could have your month complete. Especially if you're copying and pasting most of the text that's the same. You know, it could be, see you on this date at this location, and it's a different group each time. Or, you know, it could be somebody presenting this week, then presenter 2 next week, presenter 3 next week, and so on. So if you don't want to do calendar appointments and you want to do emails, send later is the way to do it. Test it, it doesn't cost anything, and it works with Outlook.com. And some of you that are going to be, oh, we use Gmail. Okay, guess what? Gmail has this feature too. They don't call it send later. It's a different word, but same process. You write your email, put your attachments, and there's an option to send later. We might have to put in the description below what the text is on Gmail, but you will see it as you write a new email. So feel free to use these features, whether you're a Gmail person, user, an Outlook.com user, or an Office 365 user. And if you found this tip useful, give us a thumbs up below and share it with somebody else that could benefit with this feature. I'm sure there's loads of people that haven't used this that would like to, so they don't have to be at a computer at 5 o'clock on a Sunday. And if you know somebody like that, please do share it with them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.